from the early morning the rain is started, so it's really irritating. So just see the weather over here. I will go by walking uh, on the roads until when I reach where I want to go. So please watch this video. You will see how was the weather over here in Shillong.
Body posture if it's like this, putting dropping on like I feel like spring out, man. I'm so small. How many?
So guys, how was the video? If you like the video, please share, like, subscribe and comment. If you don't like the video, don't mind guys, I'll make another best video. Till that episode video jangan lupa like, share and comment. Bye, see you in the next video.